Welcome to the Enhanced Digital Teaching Platform from the Education and Training Foundation, ETF, which is designed to help you develop your teaching or training using technology. In this video, we are looking at the bite-sized training modules which form the core of the service. Let's say you are interested in how to share resources more effectively. You enter the term sharing into the search function on the top bar, and it brings up several training modules. At the top of the list of modules, you can see options for Show, Sort By, and Filter. Show determines how many modules you see at a time if there are lots. Sort By allows you to sort by name or rating in ascending or descending order. Filter allows you to select on more specific criteria. You'll see that each module has a star rating to help you decide which to select. As you scan the modules, you can add them to your wish list. Modules are grouped into categories or topics, and each module has a category label. Each module is also color-coded to show what level of personal development it relates to. There are 3 stages of personal development: exploring, adopting, and leading, which are set out in ETF's Digital Teaching Professional Framework, DTPF. The DTPF aims to develop a shared understanding of digital skills development and forms the backbone of the Enhanced Digital Teaching Platform. In this case, you decide to try the Share, Collaborate, Improve Part 1 module. You click on the module and it brings up the aims and objectives, which digital badge it is related to, and more detail of feedback from previous users. To enter the module, you click on the launch screen. When you open the module, you'll notice the module has a blue frame, showing that it is an exploring module. First of all, there is an introduction with some learning about the module subject. Here we look at how different technologies can help sharing and collaborating, and then clarify what working in the cloud means. Then there is an animation.
The word cloud is used as a metaphor for the internet, so it means any type of internet-based computing where different services, for example servers, storage and apps, are delivered to an organization's computers and devices.
You can find the full transcript of the animation video in the Resources section. After the animation, there are 2 learning activities about sharing resources. In the first one, you are directed to look at some statements and think about which ones improve learning content and which are issues you need to be aware of when sharing content. You are asked to drag and drop them into either category. Then submit your answers. You will receive feedback about whether your choices are right. In the second activity, you are directed to select from 4 methods of sharing learning to achieve certain objectives. Again, you submit your answers for feedback. Once you have completed these learning activities, you are invited to reflect on how you are sharing resources. You are asked, which ways of sharing have you made use of in the list below? Then invited to think about more ways you might be able to share to develop your practice. You might select the first 2 options. Then you add some notes. You can save your notes and download them from the Downloads section. Next, there is a simple summary of the module, which you can also download from the Resources section. You will notice that the module competency is mapped to ETF's Digital Teaching Professional Framework. Lastly, there is a list of links to related resources that you can try, such as SharePoint, Dropbox, Google Drive, and Slack. Once you have completed the module, you will be prompted to leave feedback. Click on the Feedback button, and you can rate the module using the stars and leave written feedback. Once you are ready, click on Submit. At any time, you can close the module by clicking Close. Now, are you ready to try a module?